In this video we are going to look at finding the area of compound shapes. So if you look at our first question, we need to split this shape into two. So I'm going to make my split there. Find the area of the first rectangle, so length times breadth, 9 times 4 is 36. And then our next triangle, length is 9, breadth will be 4 plus 4, which is 8. So 9 times 8 is 72. And then we need to total those, 36 plus 72, 108 centimetres squared. If we look at question 2, I'm going to do my split here, so split your shape into 2. If we look at our first rectangle, length by breadth, 12 by 15 is 180. And then length by breadth, so if the whole length is the whole length is 30, and we know to there is 15, this bit is going to be 30, take 15, which is 15. So 15 by 6, which is 90. And then total up your values, 180 plus 90, 270 centimetres squared. If we look at question 3, split your shape up into 2. First rectangle, length by breadth, 14 by 8, 112. 8 by 3, so length by breadth, 8 by 3 is 24. Add those values up, 112 plus 24, 136 centimetres squared. And question 4, split up your shape into 2. So if we look at the big triangle, length, so 14, we're missing our breadth. So we know this whole line, this whole length is 24, and we know to there is 10. So to work out this bit, 24 take 10 is 14. So length by breadth, 14 times 14, 196. And then the smaller rectangle, 10, so length by breadth, we're missing breadth. We know this full length is 14, and we know to there is 4. So to work out the missing value, 14 take 4 is 10. So 10 times 10, length times breadth is 100. Add up your values, 196 plus 100, 296 centimetres squared. Okay, so this question is going to ask you to work out the area of the shaded part, so shaded area. Work out the area of the shaded rectangle, or the big rectangle, so 26 times 12, which is 312. Work out the area of the small rectangle, so 12 times 8 is 96. And to work out the shaded area, you're going to take 96 from 312. So 312, take away 96, and your answer is 216 centimetres squared for your shaded area. Okay, and lastly, we're going to ask you to find the area of these compound shapes. So if we look at a rectangle, length by breadth, 11 times 9 is 99. And then we've got the area of a triangle. So you'll remember your formula for area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the base of this triangle we need to work out. We know the full length is 22. We know to there is 11. So to work out your missing length, 22 take 11, which is going to be 11. So our base is 11. Our height is going to be the same as this, so the height is going to be 9. Base times height, so 9 times 11 is 99. Divide that by 2, 49.5. Total up your area, so 99 plus your 49.5 is 148.5 centimetres squared. And then this question is asking you to work out the shaded area. So work out the area of the large triangle, or large rectangle, 22 times 12 is 264, and then your triangle, base times height divided by 2. So 5 times 9 is 45, divide that by 2, it's 22.5. To work out your shaded area, 264, take away 22.5, and your answer for that one is 241.5 centimetres squared for area.